So here's how to create a Wix website on mobile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to install your Wix app on your phone. After that, you have to simply follow all of these steps that I'm gonna tell you in this video. After installing your app, here you will be able to view this interface. Click on the Get Started option. Now click on the Continue with Google option, or you can also create an account here. Then select your account from which you want to create your site. After that, click on the Create New option. Now it will redirect you to this page where you have to first select your category of the site. Here I want to create a blog site, so I clicked on the blog option. Then enter your name for the site. Now hit on the next. After that, from here you have to select a subcategory and then click on the done. Here, as you can see, our site is being created. You have to wait for the time until the site is being created. Once your site is created, now click on the Continue to Editor option to edit your website. Here you can make changes to your theme, and even you can change your current theme. To make changes to your theme, click on the Themes option at the bottom. Now from here you have to select the theme that you want to set for your website and then click on the Done. If you want to edit your pages, you can simply go to the Pages option and then you can edit your page. Once you have done all the changes on your site, now you have to click on the Publish option to publish your site. So that's how to create a Wix website on mobile.